Hi guys, welcome back to Unreal Starter Kit. In today's episode we're going to be making an easy flickering light. Okay, let's go to content browser. I want to go to my blueprints folder. Okay, right click and then we're going to go up to blueprint class. We can add a new actor. Now we're going to say BP underscore flickering light. Okay, let's go into it. Now we want to add a static mesh. This is going to be the light pole again. Okay, static mesh. Let's just choose this light. Now I want to add a spotlight. Okay, we're going to press E to rotate it, and then W to position it. Okay, now we want to go to event graph. I'm going to delete these. I'm going to keep the event tick because we're going to use it. Now let's drag the spotlight into the event graph, and then from the spotlight we're going to say set intensity. Okay, from set intensity we want float in range, random float in range. The minimum 0, the maximum, let's just see, what is this? 5,000. Intensity 5,000. So let's make the maximum here 5,000. Okay, event tick into the intensity, compile and save. Okay, let's drag the flickering light into the level, and let's hold Ctrl L, make it a little darker so you can see. Okay, now let's play from here, and there you can see the light is flickering. Okay, it's as easy as that. Thank you for watching, and hope you liked and subscribe. See you in the next one.